I personally don't like personality tests or surveys. So as you see, this is also 100 pages. I already answered 26 pages. So instead of reading each questions and then choosing the score here and then clicking on the next page, I use JavaScript in the console, getting all the ratio buttons, which are this one. Here is also a trick that in every line you have to give a unique answer. For example, if you choose here 4, at the next question you cannot choose 4. You have to choose something else. So here I get the radio buttons, document.query selector all, input type radio. You have in total 18 radio inputs. And then from every line I select from the first line, for example 4, the second line 5, and the third line 6. So here is a radio with the index 3, which is 4, and then a radio with the index 10 and radio with the index 17. And click, 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 and then get the button, input type button, and then click on that. So every time I run this, let me clean the console. So if I enter, it selects them immediately and then jumps to the next one. And this way I will answer this very fast. Let us improve this by running this code inside a loop, and let us see what happens. Clear the console again. For let I from 0 I less than 69. So here we are left with 68. Let us pick 69, and then I plus plus. I have to get the other code. This one is better because here you also have the button. Control C, Control V, again Control C, this one, Control V, and then let us see, enter. It did not select anything.